Hello guys, for today's video, nag-aadobo ako guys. Adobong Bisaya way. So, tinimplahan ko na yan siya ng suka, tuyo, oyster sauce, nilagyan ko ng onions and garlic and paminta. So, titingnan natin yan mamaya guys. This is food for today. Check natin yung hamba natin guys. For adobo. So, it takes time guys, at least mga 1.5 hours. See you later, alligator. So guys, this is it, pancit. So, Czech Republic na natin guys. Super soft and tender na yan guys. Nilagyan ko ng laurel at nilagyan ko ng buong pamintang anik-anik.